On-loop electronics. The alpha gate peaking out.
Project #16, Sound, Mozzi, Mk09. Currently your Arduino can only beep like a microwave oven. Mozzi brings your Arduino to life by allowing it to produce much more complex and interesting growls, sweeps and chorusing atmospherics. These sounds can be quickly and easily constructed from familiar synthesis units like oscillators, delays, filters and envelopes. You can use Mozzi to generate algorithmic music for an installation or performance, or make interactive sonifications of sensors, on a small, modular and super cheap Arduino, without the need for additional shields, message passing or external synths. Wavepacket Synthesis Arduino. Wavepacket synthesis, with two overlapping streams of wave packets. Each packet is an enveloped grain of a syn, or cos, wave. The frequency of the wave, the width of the envelopes and the rate of release of envelopes are the parameters which can be changed. Potentiometer A0 Fundamental, the rate at which packets are produced. Potentiometer A1 Bandwidth, the width of each packet. A lower value allows more of the center frequency to be audible, a rounder sound. A higher value produces narrower packets, a more buzzing sound. Potentiometer A2 Centrefreq, the oscillation frequency within each packet.
Mozzi is a product for sound. So here one, the two pots, and that's it. So one here, and ground here, and here, power, and now puts here for, I don't know, here, and now programming. Here, Mozzi, Arduino Uno, pots, and speaker, and that's it. Here, wave, this is here, pots, frequency, and hook, and that's it. Control, and start, and that's it. See, compiling and see. Good. So Arduino and from round 4 here. Compiling. Now download. And that's it. Now this here for and that's it. Bye-bye.
The Alpha Geek. J. Luke Paquin, Curriculum Vitae. Don Luke Electronics. JLP Consultants. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram.